Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to call the BPI hotline using Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, look at the bottom of your Viber screen and tap on the Calls option. This will take you to the calling interface where you can make phone calls directly through the app. Tapping this is essential because it opens up the dialing features that allow you to call any number, including international hotlines like BPI's customer service. Next, you'll see a keypad icon appear on your screen. Go ahead and tap on it to open the keypad. This keypad works just like your regular phone dialer, but it uses your internet connection instead of cellular minutes, which makes it perfect for reaching customer service numbers without worrying about long-distance charges. Now, here's an important step for dialing international numbers. Press and hold the 0 button on the keypad. When you do this, a plus sign will automatically appear. This plus sign is crucial because it's the international dialing prefix that tells Viber you're making a call to a number outside your current country code. Make sure you hold it long enough for the plus sign to show up properly. After the plus sign appears, go ahead and input the BPI hotline number. Type in 1-800-225-1202. Take your time entering this number to make sure you get it exactly right, as any mistake will prevent you from reaching BPI's customer service team. This number connects you directly to their hotline where you can inquire about your account, report issues, or get assistance with banking services. Once you've entered the complete number, locate the call icon on your screen and tap it. This will initiate the call through Viber's internet calling feature. You might need to wait a moment while the connection is being established. The app will use your data or Wi-Fi connection to place the call, so make sure you have a stable internet connection for the best call quality. And that's it. You've successfully placed a call to the BPI hotline through Viber, allowing you to reach their customer service without using your cellular minutes. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.